Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I'm Justin, and I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full review. Today we're taking a look at the shave soap that came in Lucky Franc's complete wet shave kit that he sent me to review. Lucky Franc really likes these tins, and I like them too, because I like when a soap comes in some type of reusable container. One, because I kind of like to collect the containers, and two, and most importantly, if you need to travel with this for any reason, or you want to try another soap for a while, you've got some place to put it, and you always know what soap it is because, well, it's got the label on the tin. It comes in really convenient, and honestly, I think you could even use it as a makeshift shave bowl if you were traveling with it. When I first got this puck, it was a 4-ouncer, which is pretty much your standard size shave soap. The scent of this is sandalwood, and it's a little bit strong, but honestly, I kind of like it strong because I love the scent of sandalwood. And I like the fact that when you're sitting there lathering it up really good, you get a nice sandalwood scent off of it. Now, I'd usually tell you guys the ingredients in this. However, this is not an all-natural product, so half of the words I can't even say that are on the ingredients list. So I'm going to try to find out later on what's on it, and I'll put down the dumbed down version for you guys right up here right now. Now, one of my favorite things about this soap is that it's very easy to get whatever type of lather you like out of it. I can make a very soapy, sudsy lather out of it. I can just take the brush to it for a couple of rounds and apply it to my face and be able to lather it up on my face fairly decently and get a decent coverage. Or I can really work it and get that really nice thick lather out of it, almost like it came out of a can. So whatever type of lather you like, you should be able to get it with this soap, although it may take a little bit of work to be able to get that super thick lather. Now, as you can see, it's super easy to lather, and putting it on the face, it sticks very nicely, so you're not going to have it running whatsoever. And when you're shaving it off, it even sticks to the razor, which I like because I hate it when it builds up really thick and just kind of falls off. Now, as far as shaving with it, it does a fairly good job of helping those hairs lift up and stay lifted so that you can get as close as you possibly can with your razor. The shave soap also provides a fairly slick shave, so you're not going to need a shave oil with this soap. However, if you want to, you can always go ahead and use one anyway. Now, unlike the other products that came in this kit, you can definitely order just the soap by itself. Now, it's not on the cheap end of soap, and it's not on the high end, so it comes in right at about $13. And I think that it's worth that because of the types of lather, and just the scent alone is fantastic. Now, if you want to pick yourself up some Lucky Franc shave soap, you can definitely do that in the link down below. Before you click that link though, I want to know down in the comments section what shave soap or shave cream you're currently using. And if you want to see more of Lucky Franc's reviews done by me, check out the playlist above. And below that is also a video that you'll probably enjoy as well. Speaking of enjoying videos, if you like this one, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a video. And until next time, as always, you have a good one.